Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a transcript from a YouTube video. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is select the video you want the transcript from. And once you're on here, just go down to the description section and select more. And if you scroll down, you should see the option to show transcript. So you want to click on that. Then on the top right hand side, it'll bring the transcript up. So if you click on the three dots on the top right, you can select toggle timestamps. So this will just bring up the time when certain things have been said. So you can obviously go through all that if you want to find something. And once you click on it, it'll bring you straight to that section of the video. You can also toggle the timestamps off and then just highlight all the text that you want to use or you want to copy. And obviously right click on it and just select copy. And obviously you can paste it into a Word document or wherever you want. So that's how you can get a transcript from a YouTube video. Thanks for watching.